How to add music to your WhatsApp status. So if you want to add music to your WhatsApp status like your Instagram, this is how you do it. Because as you can see, there is no option to add music or any kind of audio to your story on or your status on WhatsApp. So the best way to do it is first upload a Instagram story and download it. Then you can re-upload it on your WhatsApp status, because you can use any music on Instagram story. So I'm going to show you the exact process. First, open your Instagram and go to your stories. You can choose any photo you want, or just click a picture to put in your status, and then select any music you like. You can just choose anything like so, or you can choose any kind of text like this as well, and then you just simply post it to your story. Click on done. If you don't want everyone to see it, you can just post it to close friend, but I don't think that the story finder will be able to find your story to download if you post it on close friends. So I just suggest you post it on your normal story. If you don't want others to see it, you can hide your story from them once, so they won't be able to see your story, and you can quickly delete it and revert back to the original settings. So just post it to your story, and once that's done, what you're gonna do is go to your Chrome browser and open up, search for Instagram story download. And for now, I'm just going to use the first one that says storysaver.net. As you can see, the story now has been uploaded. So I'm just going to open this one. And if you scroll down here, you can enter anyone's username to find their story if their profile is public. So you can just put your name or your Instagram handle. You quickly have to complete the CAPTCHA. So as you can see, the story right now is not available because my account is private, so I'm just quickly gonna make it public. So I've switched my account to public, so the story should be visible right now. So if I just search it again and complete the CAPTCHA, this should view the story. So as you can see, once I've made my profile public, now I can download the video. So I just click on download video, and this will download the file. So as you can see, the video now has been downloaded to my phone. Now all I have to do is go to my WhatsApp and add to my status. Tap on this gallery icon to find the video, and once I tap on the video, as you can see, now I can post it on my WhatsApp story or my WhatsApp status. And that's how you can add music to your WhatsApp status. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.